Just watch with me.
Hello, this is Watchman Lee. The show is Watch With Me, and today we got another police video. I believe this is a shoplifter gets caught, and we're going to dive right into it, see what's going on. We're still building the channel, so if you like it, please subscribe, and give me comments and feedback on anything else you want to see. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it.
Can you get back in your car, please? No. That's not how it works. Get back in your car. You're going in handcuffs. Get back in your car. You're going in handcuffs. Okay, that's how you want to play.
For what? What did I do?
1941 North Orange. Send me another unit. Get over here.
Don't run from the police and run into a store, because there's no way out. I don't know why she's running at this point, because you're just getting another charge.
Over here. I'm not playing with you. Get over here. Get over here now. Get over here now. I'm not playing with you. You're under arrest.
No, for what?
Yes, you are.
For what?
Right now, you're under arrest. Stop walking away from me. Stop walking away from me.
And although you're walking around with your hands in the air, you are still resisting arrest as long as you're walking away and not stopping and talking to that cop.
Ma'am, the last...
No. Please, hey.
Listen to me.
No.
The last thing... I'm going to tase you if you don't stop. I am going to wind up tasing you if you don't stop.
Hey, I didn't even do nothing. She seen me
One
coming.
pulse take dispatch. Jesus.
She seen me coming up.
Ran from the traffic stop. We're currently inside the orange store, and she will not...
I know I keep stopping it. One, you cannot plead your case while you're running away from the cop. I did not do anything. I didn't do anything, but I'm running. Does not work out. You can't look guilty and claim innocence. Two, when you do this and the cop ends up calling for backup, these cops that are coming in, all they know is there's a situation that cop can't handle. They're going to come in hot. So you rather deal with one cop than these angry cops that come in ready to tackle you, put you on the ground.
I was already parked before the light
Stand by.
came on or anything. She's not threatening me. I'm scared for my life. No, you
Listen to me.
threatening me. No.
We're going to handle this one way or another.
I'm at Orange Grocery.
I have more units coming.
23rd.
A little faster.
1941 North Orange Avenue at Orange Avenue Grocery off of 20th.
The lady told my tasing
Here we
me
go.
for no reason.
It's all right. It's all right. I have more units on the way. It's not an issue.
No reason. The same reason for you.
We are both inside the store. She is just refusing to comply.
I'm at Orange Groceries. Santos. I ain't doing
It's okay.
She
It's all right. We got more units on the way. It's fine.
I was already parked when she threw the lights on, and I was getting out my car. Tasing me,
Ma'am?
and everything for no reason.
Ma'am, right now you're looking at obstruction. Okay? I asked you to stay in your car. You refused.
They was on 23rd, Ma. I ain't do nothing, Ma. All I did was roll down. They followed me. I ain't do nothing, Ma. I came here for you, Ma, to the store.
Real bad for you.
Man,
Listen, come on here.
I didn't even do nothing.
All right.
Under arrest for what? What am I pulled over for? Anything? All this because I rolled down 23rd. You heard me?
At this point, they were going to arrest you. They had to call for 3 units to come in because you didn't want to stand and have that conversation. Whatever she saw you did, it wasn't this bad.
Can you get my phone, please? I got another phone. He got it.
I got it.
I got your other one. Make sure you're locked. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. I just want to make sure you're locked. Hold on.
Tower.
I
If I don't walk them, they're gonna move on you. Hold
Taking
on.
me to jail for what though?
Obstruction. Now you're looking at
For what,
obstruction
though?
because I told you to get back in your car and you refused to listen.
I was already out my car.
It's all on camera.
Yeah,
Let's
because
go.
I'm scared of
Let's
you.
go.
I see
Let's go. I don't know what you're scared of. It's a traffic stop. I don't know what you're scared of.
You damn right you don't know. You got call my mama. Can you call my mama, please, ma'am?
You're not gonna
I
put me in
ain't putting you in
circle.
nothing,
You've
man.
already done this enough.
You got her
It's right here.
handcuffs on
My
top.
car right there, my car off. Like, I ain't do nothing.
I have to check her. I have to check her and yeah.
I ain't got shit. I can check myself. I don't got
Hey,
nothing right
stop
now.
messing with yourself.
Knock it off.
Hey,
I don't know what's wrong with people. I can check myself. There's a process. Maybe they don't understand the process, but things have to happen in a certain order. We'll talk about that later.
Listen to me. Her cup is about to come on. Okay.
Yeah, you can't even cuff nobody right.
Listen to me.
You can't even do your job right. Just trying to make something out of nothing
Gotta
right.
unlock him first.
Hey, TJ, call my mama.
Yep, right here. You see the blue one right here in front of me? I don't know what you're talking about. Sorry, they're right on this side here. Yeah, you got her. I got her. I need something.
You haven't got me. You don't got me. That's what you don't got. You got me.
I'm not arguing with you right now.
I'm to the stop on my mom. Yeah, you dead ass wrong. Like,
Wait a minute, stop. Let me get this book out. Hold on.
I literally just seen you sitting on 23rd. You seen me coming out the goddamn Goodwill, goddamn parking lot, and tried to follow me for no reason. All because I rolled down the road. I seen you. Don't have to patrol right. All for a scrap. You could have got a big finish. Mess around with my ass, me by the
All you had to do was stay in your car.
And you was already trying to arrest me. You said I'm under arrest. That's why I ran in the store. Yeah, I am. For no reason. For something. For something. For something. For something. No, I'm talking about her. Not you.
Are you
Not
kidding?
you. Not you.
Really? Meaning to do this? No.
She don't got to fit in. She trying to check on me.
Oh, you're checking on her?
No.
You know.
I was a young lady before she even like threatened me. She threatened me. Cut her.
You can stop right there. Thank you. Stop. Okay. Y'all come up here.
Yeah,
No.
Lexi.
The other thing. Stop calling y'all mamas when y'all getting in trouble. I know they need to know what's going on, but you call them, they get worried, they come up there, and if they act up, you got a lot of amped up police here, and all of a sudden somebody pull up and come right over to them, you can get them hemmed up. So let them know what's going on, but them coming to the scene ain't gonna change anything at this point.
You can't get in no trouble with these people.
I ain't even do nothing.
Listen, just calm down. Don't say nothing. Don't do nothing.
Things are
Or
gonna get old.
anything.
Figure it out.
say
But you don't. But yelling and screaming right now. But yelling and screaming right now isn't gonna do you any good. Okay? I need you to take a deep breath for me. Okay? I know you're upset, but again, yelling and screaming is not gonna do you any good. At this point, just roll with it. Let us figure out what's going on, and we'll go from there. Okay?
Thinking I guess it's
But
smart.
again, screaming and yelling is not gonna do anything. Yelling and screaming is not
I
gonna do
was
anything.
already out my car, man. They can look at the things and everything. They ain't even
They got
do
a
nothing.
video.
When an officer tries to
No, that lady told me, she said you under arrest. As soon as I got out my car, for what?
You want to put her in the back of my car? I'll turn on the air conditioner for her. I don't even know what's going on with this tag yet.
Yesterday, she's her phone too. She thought I was the same lady Santos, 1906. Her folded up. 1906 or 19.
It's 1961, ma'am. This is the sheets to her car.
That's okay. The situation is where it is.
I'm assuming they're on the hand, so.
When I ran the tag initially, it wasn't coming back to this part.
Lexi, just don't say.
By yelling and screaming, you're not doing yourself or anybody else any good. All you're gonna end up doing is hurting yourself more because you're gonna end up catching an extra charge. And you don't wanna do that, okay? All right, you good? Give yourself a minute, compose yourself.
Been doing it. I Okay, I'm all
Hey, where are you working?
I was setting up to do a speed and aggressive. One.
You got aggressive.
I don't know why she ran for me. I gotta go touch that tip.
Yeah.
Lock your
I'll
car.
call you back. Yeah.
Ma'am, can I talk to you for a minute?
Yes.
I'm the supervisor. Okay?
Yes, yes.
So we'll tell you the reason. I don't know the reason yet. All I hear is a police officer yelling for help. So that's
Yeah.
why we all came up here. because
Okay.
Your relative, you didn't want to cooperate.
13 front.
Like I was saying earlier, the other cops, all they heard is the cop call for help. So then they thought something was wrong. You end up with like 5 units there. You don't want that attention. You don't want that extra adrenaline in this situation.
She's in violation for us.
And I know Mark is known for driving the car. That's no reason for nobody to pull him over. So she said, I said, do y'all realize Mark's already in prison? And she said, no, when this happened.
Here's a spot. Here's a spot right here.
Are you ready to talk to me now, Alexia? Now that you're calmed down? Okay. I don't know what just happened. I don't know what just happened. It was literally a traffic stop. All you have to do was sit in your car. That's it. I don't know why you ran from me.
Well, I'm gonna tell you why. I've been in jail like stuff that ain't even got nothing to really do with me, and I was just trying to do the right thing, and I done been in jail.
But you know what? It would have been over. You would have gotten literally a warning, and this would have been done.
And I'm telling you, I don't know that. As soon as you hopped out, you scared me. You said, stop right there, you going to jail. Like, no,
that's
you
not what I
you
said.
Under arrest. That's
Nope,
what you said.
That's not what I said. It's all on camera. I asked you to get back in your car. Alexia, listen.
All right.
Let's be real now, okay? The drama's over, all right? When I pulled you over,
This is not life. This not no
listen to
drama
me.
for
I get it. I
what you're
understand
saying,
it.
like.
Okay. And I understand what you're saying, but you gotta understand when I asked you to get back in your car,
And
you
I
ran
said
from
no.
me inside the store.
Yeah, because you
and
started
continue to
tasing me.
because you continue to do circles in the store and you refuse to comply. I asked you to stop. You just kept running from me.
But what was you pulling me over for?
I was pulling you over for your tint. That's what I was pulling you over for.
You know-
And I just checked it. You are in violation of the tint. Yeah.
Okay.
Stand by, Alexia.
Good.
Huh?
Get her out of here, okay?
Okay. All right.
Stein wants her out of here.
Okay.
What are you doing with that car? Just leaving it? What are
I
you
mean,
doing?
it's unattended right now, so I don't know what to do. The keys are in it. I guess we could.
So she's going to jail because of her tent. Well, she's going to jail because she didn't want to stop and have that conversation. She ran in the store. She ran around the store. And so now they got her for resisting or obstruction or something. But the tent would have been a fine at the most or a warning. She said she's just going to give her a warning. Most of the time with tent, they'll warn you and give you a chance to get it fixed. But because people don't know how to handle authority and they feel like they can run and do crazy stuff, it's just, things are just off. So she's going to have to pay for this dumb mistake.
You just lock it up and leave. Let me ask her if she wants her stuff. Hey, do you want your stuff out of your car? You have a purse and stuff? Do you have a phone?
Can my mom take my car?
Yeah. Is your mom here?
That's my mom right there in that trunk.
That's your mom?
Yeah.
Okay, so you give her permission to take your stuff? Do you want your phone or your purse or anything?
I probably need my phone to get contacts out.
Your phone. Okay,
Black phone.
what color is your phone? Black?
Black.
Okay, she wants her black phone. Okay.
And what is
She's given her mom permission to get the car. This right here?
Yes.
Just this phone, correct? Okay. All right, we're good. I'll be 51.
Hey, we'll do the vehicle release form for you.
All right, thank you.
So there you go. Big mistake, a lot of drama, fines, court costs, because you didn't want to sit down and at least hear what the cop had to say. You got to realize police officers are just doing a job. There might be some bad cops over there, but most cops are not trying to get you. But if we don't learn how to deal with them, talk to them, then we're gonna have problems. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. This is Watchman Lee. Programs Watch with me, and we're gonna keep building this channel up.